Sitting lonely in my.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So I've just received my package. I had ordered a coffee maker from Hot Point. They currently have an ongoing sale, so I took advantage of that and got myself a coffee maker. Offers from coffee maker. They have toasters, they have fridges, the big appliances. So if you want any of that, you can just go check them out. Let's unwrap this.
Hi guys.
I don't trust many of online shops because I always fear getting scammed, but with this you can be sure that your items will reach you safely. It comes with a manual and a warranty, so that's good. And this is how it looks. The jar, it's 12 cups. I think this is 1.5 liters, and I love it's glass jar. And it also comes with a scooping spoon for your coffee. So pretty, I love it. And now this is the coffee machine. This is how it looks when you disattach everything. So the cable is quite long. Then now you can attach your jar right there, and there you have it. Voila. So I went with Vaughn, but they have other brands.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try.
Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So we are on the road to 800 subscribers, and yeah, so if you are watching my content and you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. I do content around motherhood, cleaning, home organization, and basically lifestyle. So if that's your area of interest, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. So I'm starting off by washing the baby's blankets, our bed sheets, and some throw towels. I always prefer washing this by myself, but the clothes, my laundry lady washes those, so I always wash what I can. So that's what I'll be doing. Then I'll later on maybe go and organize the kitchen and make some dinner. So I hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so it can be recommended to many other people. And yeah, enjoy guys.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause I love tonight. It's electric.
So I'm done washing the clothes and I would just want to hang them outside for them to dry. Nairobi is hot, so by the time it's evening the clothes will already be dry and ready to be folded. So yes.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
So here is the aftermath. If you don't have a washing machine, you can relate. After you are done doing the laundry, you have to clean the basins and wash the bathroom. So that's what I want to do, because I don't want to leave the soapy water that I used on the walls, because it's gonna leave some marks and I don't want that. So I hate it, but I have to do it. So now let me set you somewhere so that I can wash the bathroom and be done with this.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. I don't know really 'cause I love tonight. It's electric. I get lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace, yeah. You had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions.
So I'm done cleaning the bathroom, and here is the after all clean. I could eat in here because the way it's shining way. So I want to add in this vase that I thrifted, and when I was buying this I didn't realize it matches the tiles on my bathroom. So yeah, I love it. It's tiny and pretty. So let me just place it up here. And I also have this one. I just added this chondo. It's removable to accessorize because I didn't like the the tin that it came with, it's not pretty, so I just added in this chondo, and it's pretty. The chondo itself, it's pretty. So yeah, all done. So now I'm done with most of the work in the house. So this is the current situation in my kitchen, and I want to clean the utensils. Then I want to boil my beans, because that's what we'll be having for dinner, some beans and some rice. So yeah, let me wash the utensils, then I'll talk to you later. So I've already washed the beans and I've added water in here. So what I do is I add carrots, uncooked carrots inside here to reduce gas. So this one works most of the time when I'm cooking beans or making githeri. So I add in carrots, and once the beans are done, I'm gonna remove them and throw them. So make sure when you're using the carrots, when you're boiling your cereals, you make sure that you throw them afterwards, because they are not good for consumption. So I'm gonna now close it. So once that is done, I'm gonna now close this up and make sure that it's locked, completely locked, and this knob is also locked. I'm gonna select menu, and instantly it brings the option for like what you want to cook, and I'm gonna choose option 9 because I'm cooking beans. So option 9, menu, and option 9. So it's now set, and it's gonna now bring the time of which it's gonna use. So I'm gonna let this cook while I do the dishes, and I'll talk to you once we are done.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I?
So now my beans are boiled, and it only took about 25 to 30 minutes, and it used 1 unit, so that's a save. And I'm gonna throw away the carrots and fry my beans so that you can have dinner.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric.
Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and like and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.